Looking for the best e-peeler for your kitchen that actually saves time and effort? You're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the top 5 electric peelers that make meal prep faster, cleaner, and easier than ever. Stick around and don't forget to subscribe for more smart kitchen upgrades. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's dive in. Number 1. Starfrit E Peeler for Kitchen. The Starfrit E Peeler may look like a simple kitchen tool, but once you use it, you quickly realize it's designed to make everyday prep faster, easier, and more comfortable. This peeler features a sharp stainless steel blade paired with a wide E-style head that glides smoothly over fruits and vegetables. Whether you're peeling potatoes, carrots, apples, or cucumbers, it removes thin, even layers without wasting food. The ergonomic handle offers a secure, non-slip grip, making it comfortable to use even during longer prep sessions. So why is the Starfrit E Peeler better than many others? It's all about control and efficiency. Unlike bulky or dull peelers, this one stays sharp, doesn't clog easily, and works well for both right and left-handed users. Pros include sharp performance, lightweight design, easy handling, and simple cleanup. Cons are minimal, but if you prefer heavy or electric tools, this may feel too basic for you. Using it is straightforward. Hold the handle firmly and glide the blade downward with light pressure. No special technique needed. Overall, it's good because it's reliable, safe, and easy to use. It's not ideal if you're looking for a multifunction gadget, but for peeling, it does the job extremely well. This peeler is perfect for home cooks, busy families, and anyone who wants hassle-free food prep. See the description for more details. Number 2. BXXLOOKG E Peeler for Kitchen. The BXXLOOKG E Peeler, a modern kitchen tool designed to make everyday food prep faster, safer, and easier. This electric peeler is built to handle common tasks like peeling potatoes, carrots, apples, and other fruits and vegetables with minimal effort. Instead of manual pressure, it uses a smooth rotating blade system that removes skin evenly while helping reduce waste. The compact design fits easily on a countertop and doesn't take up much space in your kitchen. So why is this better than traditional peelers? The biggest advantage is convenience. It's especially helpful for people who cook often, have hand fatigue, or simply want to speed things up. You get consistent results without worrying about slipping or cutting yourself. Pros include easy operation, clean peeling, and reduced strain on your hands. Cons may include needing power and being less flexible for oddly shaped produce. Using it is simple. Place the vegetable, secure it, press the button, and let the peeler do the work. It's good because it saves time and effort, but it may not replace manual peelers for very small tasks. Overall, the BXXLOOKG E Peeler is ideal for busy home cooks, seniors, and anyone who values convenience in the kitchen. See the description for more details. Number 3. AIHANCH E Peeler for Kitchen. The AIHANCH E Peeler is a smart upgrade for any kitchen. This peeler is designed for everyday home cooks who want speed, safety, and clean results without effort. What makes the AIHANCH E Peeler better than many others is its sharp stainless steel blade combined with an ergonomic handle. It glides smoothly through potatoes, carrots, apples, and even tougher vegetables, removing only the thin outer skin instead of cutting too deep. That means less waste and more food saved. Pros include a comfortable non-slip grip, smooth peeling action, and easy control even with wet hands. It's lightweight, easy to clean, and works well for both right and left-handed users. Cons are minimal, but if you prefer electric tools, this is a manual peeler, so it still requires basic hand motion. Using it is simple. Hold the handle firmly, apply light pressure, and peel in smooth strokes. The blade does most of the work for you. Overall, it's good because it's reliable, safe, and efficient. It may not be ideal for people with severe hand mobility issues, but for most kitchens, it's a solid choice. This peeler is perfect for home cooks, meal preppers, and anyone who wants faster food prep. See the description for more details. Number 4. Pelamatic E Peeler for Kitchen. The Pelamatic E electric peeler comes in. This compact kitchen tool is designed to automatically peel fruits and vegetables like apples, potatoes, pears, and more, saving you time and effort. What makes the Pelamatic E better than a traditional peeler is consistency and convenience. Instead of manual peeling, this machine rotates the food evenly, removing the skin smoothly with minimal waste. It's especially helpful for people who cook in larger quantities or want faster prep without strain on their hands. Pros include easy operation, clean and even peeling, and a compact design that doesn't take much counter space. It's also beginner-friendly, no special skills required. Cons are that it works best on medium-sized produce and may not handle very soft or oddly shaped items perfectly. Using it is simple. Place the fruit or vegetable in the holder, adjust the blade, press the start button, and let the machine do the work. Personally, I think the Pelamatic E is great for busy home cooks, seniors, or anyone who wants a smarter kitchen workflow. If convenience matters to you, this tool is worth checking out. See the description for more details. Number 5. PANGPENG E Peeler for Kitchen. The PANGPENG E Peeler, a smart and practical kitchen tool designed to make everyday food prep faster and easier. At its core, this peeler is built for efficiency. It features a sharp, durable stainless steel blade combined with a comfortable, non-slip handle. Whether you're peeling potatoes, carrots, apples, or cucumbers, the PANGPENG E peeler delivers smooth, consistent results with minimal effort. It's lightweight, easy to control, and designed for both right and left-handed users. So why is this better than many traditional peelers? The big difference is precision and comfort. The blade glides through tough skins without digging too deep, which means less waste and cleaner peels. It also feels more balanced in the hand, reducing strain during longer prep sessions. Pros include sharp performance, easy handling, and simple cleaning. Cons? If you're used to bulky peelers, this one may feel slimmer at first, but that actually helps with control. To use it, simply grip the handle, apply gentle pressure, and peel in smooth strokes. That's it. Personally, I think it's a great choice for home cooks, busy families, and anyone who wants quicker, safer kitchen prep. See the description for more details. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.